Hey guys, I'm going to have a knife review for you guys. I have a knife review for you guys, and this is the Smith & Wesson SWMP5LS, I do believe. If it's wrong, please correct me on that. I might have it on the I might put a little link around here on the screen, right here. So yeah. So yeah, this is a beautiful knife. It's I already told you, it's a military and police. Get that to focus. Sorry, am I lighting? Oh, there we go. Military and police. Great. It's a really good knife. It's a Smith & Wesson. It's assisted opening. Serrated edge. It is about, I'm thinking 7 to 8 inches long total, open, probably more. I like about this knife, it feels great in the hand. It is a little heavier than what I expected. It's a lot longer. This is my first knife that I ever opened. I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, but I cut myself, so I couldn't do the unboxing. I cut myself during I was doing the unboxing. So yeah. Well, it's a beautiful knife. It's got a little thing. I don't exactly know what that is. Could you guys tell me in the comments? It's got a nice belly on there, on that blade. I think it's a, don't know what kind of blade it is. Oh, here it is. It is a SWMP5LS. Yes, I was right. No, maybe I wasn't. So yeah, it's a really good knife. Got a beautiful pocket clip. Okay, let me close this up. It's a very nice pocket clip. It's a regular Smith & Wesson pocket clip. It's got the same emblem on the back right here. It's a great knife. Let's just put it there. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. And please rate, comment, and subscribe. So, peace.